Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about earning free Bitcoin. Now, this is a subject that you're going to be like, what? Is this a scam you're talking about, Donald? And are you talking about Bitcoin mining? No, I am not talking about Bitcoin mining, but I am talking about earning free Bitcoin while you browse the internet. So how is that possible? So there's this new thing called Slice, and this was actually brought to my attention from our mentors at IM Academy. And today I'm going to show you how to install Slice in order to earn free Bitcoin. Now, earning this Bitcoin is not going to make you rich overnight. In fact, the rewards are going to be pretty minuscule compared to what you're hoping for. But, with things like this, it really compounds. And since you're using the internet anyways, why don't you get paid while you're, for example, watching this YouTube video? So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So make sure you share this video out to friends who need to watch it, friends who are in crypto as well, so they can earn free Bitcoin as well, and so they can actually pay for your lunch next time they become a millionaire off earning free Bitcoin off browsing the internet. Other than that, guys, please be sure to smash that like and subscribe button before we get started, because it's always nice to tip your waiter before they actually serve you. Other than that, guys, let's jump right in. So what you're seeing here is you're seeing the new tab of Brave, and Brave is a browser that was built off of Chromium web browser, I believe. It was co-founded by Brendan H., who is the creator of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla Firefox. So this is a really big deal. So this guy knows what he's doing. And you can see that Brave browser is also one of the browsers that kind of hides ads, and you get paid for watching those ads as well. So basically what you see here, you see that I have earned 2 BAT tokens, which is the native token for Brave, because I primarily use Brave for browsing now instead of Google Chrome, because I get paid when I use this browser. So this is the same thing that can happen now with Slice. So you can now earn Bitcoin by serving the web on Chrome, Brave, and more. So in brief, ad tech startup Slice has implemented Bitcoin's Lightning Network into its web browser extension, letting users earn BTC rewards for viewing ads. It uses ZBD's Lightning Network integration, which has previously been used across various games. So Brave popularized the concept of giving users crypto rewards for using its web browser, and they've seen a lot of adoption, right? So Slice announced that they have integrated Bitcoin payments into the browser extension. So it lets users earn cryptocurrency by viewing ads while surfing the web. So the free extension works with Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and even Brave. So we're going to watch me install it on Brave today. So what happens is when users browse the web, they will see advertisements. This has been happening since the day the internet started, basically, or basically this day that Google came up with the idea of shelling ads. But anyways, viewing those ads now earn user points called slices, which they can then swap for Bitcoin via ZBD's account. So the reason why I want you to use Brave instead is because Brave users will be able to earn Bitcoin rewards via slices and Brave's own basic attention token, BAT, at the same time. So we're kind of double dipping here. So you're getting paid for seeing ads while browsing. I mean, I'll take that. Now, ZBD has previously focused its technology on games. Last year, they launched a modified service for the first-person shooter Counter-Strike Global Offensive, which lets players wager and win small amounts of Bitcoins called Satoshis. The firm recently partnered with game developer Viker to expand the Bitcoin earning model into familiar games like Solitaire and Sudoku, plus a world-like game called Missing Letters, all of which rewards players with free Satoshis. Here's another thing. If you guys are big in Square Enix, which I was when I was growing up in Final Fantasy, Kingdom Hearts, oh yeah. But ZBD raised a 35 million Series B that included participation from Square Enix. So my main point there is if Square Enix is investing in ZBD, that means that this is going to have a huge potential. That's why I see a lot of potential in Slice. And this is basically a no-risk way of earning passive income and earning Bitcoin, because you're going to be using the internet anyways for anything. Why not earn money at it while you're using it? That's where we should be nowadays in this day and age. All right, guys, since we're on the topic of Bitcoin right now in this bear market, where I feel like it's still going to get lower, but it is a good time to dollar cost average into Bitcoin. And one of the platforms that I'm using myself right now, the only platform that I'm using is FTX, because of who's backing it, right? Sam Bankman-Fried. So if you want to get a 5% discount on your trading fees, not pay full price on trading fees on something like Coinbase or Gemini, FTX is pretty much the only place where you can get that right now. By using the link below in the pinned comments and opening an account with FTX, I can get you a 5% trading fees for all your trading needs for life. So make sure to check that out. Otherwise, check out my other video that I made on Bitcoin if you want a documentary about why Bitcoin is being adopted. It's a really cool documentary, so be sure to check that out. All right, guys, if you need to download Brave, then go to Google, type in download Brave. Go to the Download Brave tab and tap that. They'll open up this tab and you'll say download Brave for Mac OS, and you install it like any other app, or for Windows or for Linux. So once you've downloaded Brave, it's actually really easy. You go to chromegoogle.com web store and you basically download it like any other extension. I'm gonna leave this link in the pinned comment so you have a one-stop shop to get to the extension, and then you click add to Brave and you click add extension. You have to disable your ad blocker on this page. It looks like this is the first time I'm installing it too, so yeah, you'll always see my mistakes. So it looks like you go to ad blocker and pause on this site always. If you're using Brave, you have to also turn off Brave Shield. So what you do is go up to this lion thing over here, click that, and shields are up, turn that off, and now shields are down for slice it. So then you made it. Welcome to new way of how internet works. So we're gonna click next. You can read all this if you want. Invite your friends and earn 1,000 slices for every successful referral. So that's $1. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna put my referral link in the pinned comment. Make sure you use that. Oh, cool. Slice also supports Twitch streamers by sharing revenue no matter the size of the stream. Huh, basically everyone who streams is eligible. That's crazy. That's also a very gamified way. You could just leave a stream on for nothing and you get paid. Huh. So there's the Discord. Also, I guess join the Discord. So when you know you're good, you should see the thanks for installing Slice. And what happens is you know it's installed when you see this little Slice tab here. If you open this spawning slices, you know, they have pretty much an FAQ here that you can read, but it's basically always going to be on there. Doesn't affect your browsing experience or anything. It's just on there. But anyways, you want to do more, you can create an account where you sign up for an account. You need to sign up for an account to get access to Slice withdrawals. So let's go do that. You know, put in an email address and your password, agree, and sign up. So when you sign up, they give you like 10 slices or something, which equates to basically a cent. So you basically already earn money no matter how minuscule it is. Next thing you want to do is connect your extensions. You could actually click this and it'll open up to connections. So click connect new extension. So our number is 1144. So let's go to our extension here, click Slice and enter our verification code 1144, click verify, and boom, you have successfully connected your extension. So now you can basically see how much you've earned here, looks like. And I guess there's something called become a Satoshi millionaire. Anyways, you guys can check that out. This is basically just an install Slice tutorial. And it looks like for payouts, you can actually do PayPal, which you incur a 4% fee, so never do that, or Bitcoin. So I would always say go with the Bitcoin options. And here are some FAQs for you to read, and I'll just leave you guys to that. All right, so if you don't know, basically all the extensions from Brave are basically the same link as Chrome. So you can basically go to the pinned comment, use the same link, and open that link on Chrome, and you can see Slice, and you can say add to Chrome to install it on Chrome, add extension, and now you're also earning on Chrome. So you go through the same steps, disable the ad blocker, and you should be good here. So Chrome is a different browser, so you make sure you go to here and go open that Slice app and put in the new extension here, which is 9141. To verify this extension. So you have one for Brave and one for Chrome, it looks like. By the way, guys, I don't know when you're watching this, but right now Slice is doing giveaways. So make sure you enter each of these ones to, I don't know, win free money. So basically here, it's the $100 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is click the enter giveaway. Most of it is doing the steps that you already done, which is like creating an account and stuff. So basically all of that is good. Basically, one click install, create an account, connect your extension. You did all that if you followed this video to the T. They're also giving away 1 million sats, so make sure you do that if this is still there by the time you watch this video. There is 5 days left, so I don't know if you're going to watch this in time. Alright guys, that's really all I have for this video. I hope you got some value from this. Remember to share this video with a friend who is into crypto, into Bitcoin. Comment down below that you have actually installed Slice, because that's the only way to give yourself accountability to do this, to earn passive income while browsing the web. Other than that, guys, if you did enjoy this video, smash that like and subscribe button. Check out our other videos on cryptocurrencies and passive income. And remember, guys, continue working, continue building, continue inspiring. I'll see you next time.